So if you'd like to be able to easily switch between VFO A and B, you can do that with a custom key. So go to Menu, go down to Settings, go to Radio Set, then go to Key Function. Now select the key you'd like to use. In this case, we're going to use the key right up on top, which is PF3. Now at this point, we are going to look for Main Channel. Main Channel switch right here, that's what you'd like to hit. Go ahead and select that. Now go ahead and back out. Oops. So once we're on the main screen here, if you hit that button, that's going to switch between our VFO A and our VFO B. Now you can also make a button to enable or hide your VFO A and B so you can see them all the time or just when you have them selected. My personal preference is to keep them out of the way unless I have it selected.